There was a beggar in Jaipur, in the city center, crowded city center. He was a beggar. Everybody thought he's a beggar. And he has been constantly coming there, and everybody pesters him. Chale jao, roz aate ho to. Then they throw some naya paisa or something. Sleeps under one telephone pole with gunny bags around. That is his rent. He was. One day, one great yogi, 6 foot tall, broad, golden in color, big stomach, he came and started inquiring in the church, in the bank, the bazaar, for this beggar. Mahatma ji, hai yahan? Where is that Mahayogi? He said, yahan to koi yogi kuch nahi hai. Mahatma. As he was talking, accidentally, he saw this beggar coming. In the middle of the street, he prostrate. And started saying, Maharaj, why are you here? Why have you left the forest and come here? So he said, why do we go to the forest? It's quiet. Nobody disturbs you. They are wild animals. And there is no more disturbance. That is why I am here. Here, none of these fellows have ever come and asked me anything of Vedanta. All they said was, chale jao, go and die. Why are you coming away? They were only insulting me. And a forest, what is a forest? Where there are silent trees and wild animals. That is exactly the place here. These are all silent trees and wild animals. Majority of them are wild animals, two-legged animals. So I am staying here. So he advised him, do one thing, don't tell anybody. Immediately go to Rameshwar. In 3-4 days' time you can reach there, I suppose. It's only 5 days for you. Go! And the fellow went, and in Rameshwar he died. And by the time the whole market came to know, yeah, he's not a beggar, he's a Maha. So he knew that the whole crowd will be there lined up for darshan. Till now he has been insulted, darshan. He disappeared from the town. Nobody knows where he had gone. He just night by night he disappeared. The Mahapurushas are such that is insignificant. Nobody knows that what the width and the strength or the glory of such a divine master. He moves about, covered, fully covered, so that others may not come and disturb. Some people are like that. Sometimes thus, abhiditam charatyevam prajna. The one who has prajna, the highest consciousness, highest knowledge of the higher reality. Charatyevam, thus he moves about. Satata paramananda sukhita. Satatam, at all times, parama ananda, supreme bliss, sukhita. Enjoying the supreme bliss, he moves about. Now respected, now kicked about. Now like a dull fool, another very great man of wisdom and knowledge. All the Shastras he knows. It is an exhibit. He's not trying to collect crowds around him. He wants his peculiar quiet. Sometimes prarabdhavashad, he is glorified and lives a royal splendor. at another time, an ultimate rejected beggar, insulted by everybody, like a mad guy. Meaning, we cannot by the external thing come to decide whether he's a man of perfection or not. Except you watch him in the various circumstances in life and sees him ever balanced, never upset, smiling away, even in joy or sorrow, health or ill health. That equipoise and balance you can, if you can sensitively feel it, that is a sign of mastery.